He drums. This male black Palm Cockatoo lives in Queensland, Australia. It's breeding season. And she'll only do that if he can find her the perfect home. He's looking for a solid, hollow tree trunk. This one is spacious, but its foundations leave a lot to be desired. Looks promising. Or maybe not. This trunk is hollow, solid, and tall. It looks perfect, to him at least. He starts to build a platform to support her egg. Still not interested. But he has a clever trick up his sleeve. He needs a stick. Now he's ready for a special performance. Unique in the animal kingdom. He drums. The sound may just persuade her this is the solid home she's been looking for. Finally, he has her attention. A blush of her cheek shows he's back in the good books.